How to use Lalal.ai for remixing and sampling legally. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials or create a new account if you haven't signed up yet. Once logged in, upload the audio file you want to remix or sample by clicking the Select Files button and choosing your file. Lalal.ai will process the audio and separate it into different streams such as vocals, instrumentals, drums, and bass. This makes it easier for you to isolate the parts you want to use for a remix or sample. However, before using these separated tracks, it's essential to understand the legal aspects of remixing and sampling. Always make sure you have the proper rights and permission to use the original audio. This can include licensing the track, getting permission from the copyright owner, or using royalty-free music. Unauthorized use of copyrighted material can lead to legal consequences. Lalal.ai is a tool to help you with the technical part of separation, but legal compliance is a responsibility. Once you have confirmed you have the right to remix or sample, you can download the stems in high quality and import them into your digital audio workstation to create remix. Use the isolated vocals, beats, or instruments creatively while respecting copyright laws. And that's it. Now you know how to use Lalal.ai for remixing and sampling legally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.